Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about rRNA or ribosomal RNA. So this is the overview for this tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about RNA molecule, its basic structure and types of RNA, the rRNA, basic features, structure of ribosomal RNA and its functions. So let's start with the RNA or ribonucleic acid. Before starting about mRNA, it's very important to understand the concept of RNA and types of RNA. So RNA is a type of nucleic acid just like a DNA, but there are several differences between these two molecules. Like the RNA molecule, it consists of ribose sugar instead of DNA molecule which have deoxyribose sugar in its backbone. And the another difference between them is the RNA molecule consists uracil nucleotide instead of thymine which is present in DNA. Now in this diagram we can see the segment of RNA which resembling its molecular structure. Here we can see the nitrogen bases of RNA which consist of guanine, cytosine, uracil and adenine, and the backbone which consists of ribose sugar and the bonds of phosphodiester bonds. Now RNA act like a messenger to convey information from DNA to control the protein synthesis. Instead of DNA, RNA is mainly involved in the process of protein synthesis. However, it is also act like genetic material in some cases, like in viruses or in some prokaryotic organisms, but this is not its main function. RNA act like a messenger for DNA and it is a polymer of ribonucleosides. Now, there are many types of RNA present in the cell. The major types of RNA includes messenger RNA, transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA. Besides these major types, there are several other types of RNA includes the small nuclear RNA, microRNA, small interfering RNA and many more. Now let's understand the type of RNA which is known as ribosomal RNA or commonly known as rRNA. The ribosomal RNA is considered as largest type of RNA among all. It has molecular weight of more than 1000 kilodalton and it is 80% of the total RNA content in the cell. So as the name indicates, it found in the ribosome and considered as a structural component of ribosome. So let's understand the structure of ribosome. We all know that it is also called protein factories of cell and it found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Basically, unlike other cellular organelles, ribosome do not contain any membrane. Now the interesting fact is this organelle is made up of ribosomal RNA and proteins only. It contains 34 different types of proteins and 50S and 30S rRNA. Now the type of RNA varies in prokaryotes and eukaryotic ribosomes. In the condition of prokaryotes, the RNA occurs in three forms: S23S RNA, 16S rRNA and sRNA. And in eukaryotes, the rRNA occurs in four different forms which are 28S, 18S, 5.8S and 5S rRNA. Now here the question arises that what's the meaning of S here? So the S means sedimentation coefficient. Now let's understand the structure of RNA in detail. So as other types of RNA, the ribosomal RNA is also a single-stranded molecule. Generally it found in its secondary structure where the single strand bind in itself and it resembles like double strand, but actually it is not double stranded, it is a single stranded molecule. which have internal lobes and helix within it, and it that creates some specific sites within it. So here in this diagram we can see the diagrammatic representation of structure of ribosomal RNA, and the process which is seen in this diagram is the process of translation. So here we can see in the upper portion the largest or the larger subunit of ribosomal RNA, and in downwards the smaller subunit of ribosomal RNA is same. Here in the middle one, this chain is the mRNA, which is being encoded with the help of rRNA molecules, and these molecules are of tRNA, which are carrying amino acids for the translation. Now let's understand the functions of ribosomal RNA. So as we have seen in the previous diagrammatic representation, ribosomal RNA perform a major role in protein synthesis or in the process of translation. The ribosomal RNA decodes the codons or triplet codons present in the script of messenger RNA and then converts into the polypeptide chain or protein. So RNA have a major role in protein synthesis, as we have seen and discussed. As we have seen in the diagram, ribosomal RNA have some specific sequences to which the mRNA or messenger RNA molecules can bind, and the codons of messenger RNA bind and contact with the 16S subunit of RNA instead of ribosomal proteins. Here the another important function of ribosomal RNA is it acts as a structural unit of ribosome. We have studied earlier in previous slides that ribosome is made up of only ribosomal RNA and proteins, and it have not any membrane bound structure. So it can play a structural role also in case of RNA components. With the help of some recent studies, it found that ribosomal RNA also catalyze some essential reactions. Thus, it play a role as an enzyme, and this enzyme is called ribozyme. So now, we have understood the functions of ribosomal RNA. So in this video, we have discussed about the structure and functions of ribosomal RNA with some basic structure of RNA. So I hope we all have understand the structure and functions of mRNA properly. Thank you.